Hello, how I make the AI writer via Laravel. So this is my project. And we have go put the details here. This is the about pricing, views, and contact. This is the system here. There will also login. Also the register form, and when you go the admin system, and this is the admin dashboard. This is the front end. This is the coupon system. Here is the article prompt. Everything you can. Here we have updated. This is the coupon system, and this is the dashboard. You can hear the dashboard system, and this is there also here is the login system, commission. Everything is here. This is the completely made by Laravel. And you can use the user. So when go here, so here we have need to update it something data. We have to update it, and here also make the user status. The user status, user visit, and session analysis. Here also you have session analysis, cost analysis, failed job, post request, when the article request comes from. So you will hear the monthly cost. This is the monthly cost system. The yearly cost, monthly cost, user post, when article published from it. So all article here is WordPress success, siteless. Everything is here. The coupon system is you can handle everything here. Create a coupon, you can handle coupon data. In this article, from the 1000 article, you can update it this language and title. Everything you can change here. I hope this is almost completed AI writer for Blogger or WordPress or Medium. You can use this, and you can the press or auto press release system that you can publish and edit. Also add a new button. To add a new button, and you click that new button system.